this is my garage. It's also like the majority of my studio. I like actually work upstairs except when I'm using the bar tacker, but this is where I'm going to be cutting my fabric and storing my fabric and storing all my inventory. And you can't see, but on the floor right down here is this disgusting carpet that I got out of the garbage, and I'm gonna wash it and try to sell it for like 20 bucks. And then my old dining room table that I was going to sell because I need the money, but I just can't get rid of it. I can't bring myself to let it go. My landlord keeps her car in here, but she is going to be storing her car in Denver, and I think she intended for me to be able to keep my car in here. And maybe I will do that. I've never done that before, but I at least want to set it up like this half of the garage workspace, because you can still fit a car here. This garage is huge. So we're just gonna set this up. This is probably right there with gallery wall level of excitement for you guys, but I think creating a space is like a really creative outlet. It's like setting up a studio I love to do, and I can't wait for the day. I have this like dream studio in mind. It has like a garage door that's made out of glass, so that I can like have fresh air and then like big windows, and one day I'll have an ideal studio space. And it's still exciting to like make this one as good as I possibly can. So we're gonna put this table together and set up this garage so that it no longer looks this bad. On the rug, but that feels like a lot right now. I'm tired. We're making this chai bread. This isn't the recipe I planned on making today, but the other recipe from the same blog required cashews, and cashews are hella expensive. So we're making this instead. I'm not actually a vegan anymore. I do eat eggs as of the past 3 years. 4 years. I eat eggs most of the time. Sometimes they gross me out and I go back to not having them, but this is still dairy free because I'm lactose intolerant and I get violently ill, like throw up for days type ill. So we're gonna make this vegan chai loaf cake, which is flavorful, zesty, and made without eggs or butter, except I didn't buy applesauce, so we're gonna use an egg instead. Hopefully that doesn't mess it up, but I think we'll be fine. So let's first off play some music, and then grab all the ingredients. I've been in a baking mood. I just want to bake all the time. We're gonna exit that. You wanna come inside, Indy? Okay. Oh, I feel like I should turn a light on, but I don't want to. So, we're gonna put on my fun playlist. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted. Let's go! I can't sing. And I still did it. Okay, this feels like a lot of ingredients. Cover your eyes. Whew. My dog is just staring at me. In a jug. What a weird... What is a jug? In a jug, mix soy milk and apple cider vinegar. I feel like you can do that in anything. Why a jug? I promise I'm a better baker than this. I've been a little off my game since I've been back from trail. Oh my god. Our buttermilk and tea. We're making a chai concentrate, which looks pretty sweet right now. So I'm gonna put the rest of the wet ingredients in this bowl, which is brown sugar, maple syrup, yogurt or applesauce, aka egg, oil, vanilla, and orange zest. Cracking an egg is summoning Indy every time. Oh, every time. You want it? I don't know if he's on camera, but if you crack an egg,